Welcome viewers. In this video I gonna tell you chicken dish with different style. I hope you will like this video. Let's start. Take tomatoes in crushed form. Then take onion, garlic and ginger in crushed form. Put these things in pan having some oil and keep on stove. Take 1 kg chicken. Blended coriander, turmeric, red pepper, hot spice, salt, put chicken into pan as you are watching in this video. Put crushed tomatoes in pan now. Then put all other spices into pan. Put peppermint for good taste. Add a teaspoon of vinegar as well. Then give time it to cook. Now dish is ready.